the Brazilian market, which I think Gail asked for yesterday, and it is quite an interesting point. So if I just go out to the monthly chart here, we've got a primary degree, a 1, 2, then a 1, 2, 3, peculiar running flat for a 4, and I think we're in this fifth of the primary 3. The target 102.753 with a possibility it extends. Then if we come down to the weekly chart, within this final fifth, we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 in place, and I think we've got a 1, 2 developing to the upside. The concern in terms of trading it, there's a clean 5 up to here at minute degree. This move down came below the 50 but didn't get to the 618. So unfortunately we do need to take the top out at 81.765 to confirm that this is in. If we do that, I'll start to fib up the lower time frame to try and get a tight entry. But this is looking like a very nice risk to reward trade for those that want it. And especially if we get a drop into the 618 to 764, if we get a C wave of this 2 down, if it's not in yet and it hits and holds, that would be absolutely ideal. So we'll see. This is the cash market rather than the futures, by the way, that I have charted here. But I think it's probably somewhere next week we might get a bit more clarity on a trade entry, Gail. But I'll keep an eye on it, and we'll go through it when appropriate in the room, and I'll put updates in the forum every now and then. So we'll see. Okay, I don't. I'm on a very limited setup. I don't have the ability to start looking at futures and this, that, and the other outside of the normal ones I do here. So I can do that normally, but I'm at the other end of the country from home at the moment on a mobile setup. Okay,